Hey YouTube, wanted to get on here and do a DIY project. I picked this up at my Dollar Tree, and as soon as I saw it, I had a project in mind that I've wanted to do. So what you're going to be needing is this placemat from Dollar Tree. They have this one, and then they have the fall maple leaf that I actually did another DIY with and put it on a pillow and put it on my front bench on the porch. But anyway, so for this project, you're going to be needing the pumpkin placemat from the Dollar Tree, some screws, a drill, planks that I had. These are just old boards, so I cut all of these the same length, so they're actually, let's see, about 17 inches. And I did cut, I'm hoping you can see them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will perfectly fit the pumpkin on here. I'm gonna make it pretty even on top like so. And so you're gonna need an extra board just to screw the boards on so it'll hold together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and screwed some just to get it started. Now I'm gonna So next what I'm going to do is put, have some coffee first. Put this pumpkin on top. And I have my stain. And what I'm going to do is just kind of outline it with the stain. And I have this one that's called Early American. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and outline the pumpkin in this antique color. I like the way it looks. I'm not sure if you can see the whole frame, but I want it to be more dominant, I guess you can say, because it looks like a pumpkin for me because I know what the pattern was that I traced, but from far away, I'm not sure if you can really tell what that is. But I'm going to go ahead and outline it with the antiquing paint and show y'all afterwards what it looks like. Then you just let that dry. And then look at that. I think it looks perfect. Like I didn't do too much. Okay. And that is done.